EEX Group is actively supporting the ramp-up of a global hydrogen market. Based on our track record of existing indices in power, gas and emissions and other asset classes, we have launched in May 2023 the first market-based price index for green hydrogen, HYDRIX. Our index is calculated and based on actual market prices for green hydrogen rather than being based on estimates and forecasts. And this gives it a high degree of accuracy and reliability. HYDRIX can be used by investors to track the performance of the hydrogen market, by traders to manage their risk, and by market participants to make informed decisions.